Hello guys, this is Divya and bringing to you another episode of Plums, and today is 30th episode and Jan 3. So let us begin. Today subject is geography. Before I begin, I would like to request you to subscribe Vysh IAS channel if you haven't yet. Also press the bell notification so that you never miss an update. We are coming up with lot of content in YouTube. So please make sure you get the notification by pressing the bell icon. Now we are daily coming up with 5 MCQs, and what is required from your end is the consistency, and participation, because that is the most crucial thing in your preparation. Consistency is the key actually. So this is me, Divya, today taking geography MCQs. Let us begin. The first question is, tropical grasslands are also known as, right? Your options are prairies, steppes, the savannas, or none of the above, right? Pause the video, answer the question, right? Let's move on. Answer is C actually, the savannas, because the tropical grasslands which generally lie between the belt of tropical forest and desert, right? And so these tropical or grasslands occur in the same region as the savannas, right? As you can see. So savannas is the answer. These questions are, though for some it may look very easy, but these will check your fundamentals, right? That's why I have included such questions which look very easy and right from the NCRT, but it is definitely checking your fundamentals, how strong it is, right? Because that's the stepping stone, and then you can move on to other sources. Now, which one of the following earthquakes is more destructive, right? Easy question again. So options are P waves, S waves, surface waves, none of the above. So the answer is B, S waves. An earthquake also causes, also I mean, also called as secondary or shear waves, that is S waves. So these travel actually at the half speed of P waves, but they are actually more destructive. You have to remember this. So S waves move the earth perpendicularly to the direction of the wave is traveling. Let us move on. Third question. So which one of the following is a gradational process, right? So of your options given are deposition, erosion, dystrophism, volcanism. Pause the video, answer the question. Let us move ahead. So answer is B, erosion it is. So weathering, mass wasting, erosion, these are all degradational processes. So erosion is largely responsible for the continuous changes that is happening on the surface of the earth, right? So continuous erosion degrades the surface. Now let us move ahead. So the fourth question, Köppen's system of classification of climate, it can be termed as which of the following? Options are empirical, genetic, systematic, or applied. Again, easy question, right? So answer is A, empirical. It is the Köppen, the classification given by the Köppen. It is actually the it is actually widely used classification of climate, and it is empirical climate classification. You have to remember this, and there is a close relation between the distribution of vegetation there in some geography and the climate of that place, right? Now let us begin. And when I give your explanations, you are also expected to look up other things also. You have to read a bit more also, and research bit a bit more, because there can be questions around it only, and some other thing can be asked from it, right? So now let us move ahead. Debris avalanche, it can be included in the category of what, right? So the debris avalanche, your options are slow flow mass movements, flow mass movements, rapid flow mass movements, subsidence, or landslides, right? So answer the question, and do comment, right? Your your scores and your answers as well. Engagement is very important, right guys? And it is very, it is also a good source of motivation for us, so that we bring up such more content for you. Answer is D, debris avalanches are the examples of landslides, right? They are type of landslides, and sometimes they're referred as mudslides, mud flow, lahars, or debris avalanche. So these are the shallow landslides, right? As you can see in the diagram here, right? It is saturated with water, and then they travel rapidly down slope, and it brings a here I can see, it brings the muddy slurries to with it. It carries, rocks as well, bushes as well, other debris. That is why the name is given as debris. It brings all of the debris with it, right? So with this, we have come an end to this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe Vysh IAS channel if you haven't yet. Right? So let's wrap up, and we'll meet in the next episode. Thank you.